Good day to everyone. I am Mr. John Ray Bauzon that deployed at Smart Hoops Communications ng Calasan, Urdaneta, Pangasinan. So, Smart Hoops Communication is one of the best company in our national country when it comes on telecommunications. So, let's start. For the historical background of Smart Hoops Communications, the company has introduced wireless offerings such as Smart Money, a mobile electronic wallet that also enables its SMS-based money remittance service, Smart Spadala, and now integrated with Maya. It has also been recognized for introducing the world's first over-the-air electronic prepaid loading services called Smart Load. One of its services, PasaLoads, allows all users to pass phones credits to other Smart prepaid accounts through SMS. So let's move on to the projects and responsibilities. So this slide shows the difference that we are historical of different jobs inside of the company. So the first pick is we are doing of arrangement of the different SIMs like TNT and Smarts that we need to follow their following numbers for their needed. Also the second one, pictures shows that showing the different portals to arrange the different balance of their client's name. Also, the third one is we need to arrange the Banga sheet or to follow the balance and find the total of their salary deduction. Also, we are area in a different areas on Pangasinan to field and market the PLDT flyers. Also, we are gathered at different Pangasinans like Natividad, San Nicolas, Rosales, and Urdaneta areas. This slide shows the accomplishment of inside of our job. So the first one is we have you need to hard working to achieve your goals in your lives. First is the second step is you need to learn the communication skills, and also ability to market is one of the most important for this training. And also learning for portal and balance. This learning will understand, so this training will be applying for my future. And also distribute SIMs for sales success, and also if you experience all of this, then you can provide and achieve your goals for the accomplishment for this training job. For the skills and learning, we are understand of different knowledge like searching portal and accounts, market for field and area, computing balance, Banga sheet, and marketing strategy. So next one, we have a conclusion for this slide. Smart Hoops Communication is one of the best company in our national country when it comes in telecommunication. So this training will be enhance my ability for works and market understanding. So for the sponsorships, and thankful for the manager and admins in our inside of company. Also thank you for appreciations for Miss Ma'am Jennifer Abril, Jeraine Luisa de la Cruz, Chamay Librado, and Clark Barbado.